Then shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Right. So, so on the day we have completed without still up to
Sir, today shall we
yes,
discuss
channel.
complex number worksheet 2?
Yes, channel. So I want to discuss 2, 3, 4 problems of worksheet 2. Shall we? Meanwhile, post complex numbers
Yes, sir.
worksheet. Shashank?
Yes, sir.
Okay, post complex numbers worksheet.
What, sir?
Share me the snapshot of complex numbers worksheet.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So quickly, let us go for, I hope, level 1 first question we have practiced. Right, ma? If I'm not wrong on that day.
Yes, sir, we have done the first question.
Right. Now, what about the second one?
Sir, second one is left.
Tell me, ma.
Sir, second one question is left. Yes, sir.
Second question. What is that? It is? Can you pronounce it, ma?
Sir, the question is if NP7 is equal to 42 NP5.
Okay.
Sir, then the
Right.
value of N is.
Right. So what it is? So only 14 students have joined from all the sections for clarification of doubts. Very poor. So now NP7 means what, ma? N factorial upon n minus 7 factorial. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Right, students. Is equal to 42 NP5 means n factorial upon n minus 5 factorial. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now here this n factorial I will cancel. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now it is 1 upon n minus 7 factorial is equal to 42 multiplied with n minus 5 factorial. Am I right, ma? So
Yes,
this
sir.
I can write it as n minus 5 factorial is equal to 42 multiplied with n minus 7 factorial. Is it is correct or not?
Yes, that's correct.
Right. So now, if you observe here, n minus 5 factorial can be written as n minus 5 into n minus 6 into n minus 7 factorial.
Yes.
Because 4 can be written as, 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 factorial. Means normally n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. So here what is happening? N minus 5 factorial can be written as n minus 5 multiplied with n minus 5 minus 1 factorial, which is nothing but n minus 5 into n minus 6 factorial. But here the cancellation will not happen if I do the process till up to n minus 6 factorial. So what I have to do? Again, this n minus 6 factorial can be written as n minus 6 into n minus 6 minus 1 factorial. So what will get, ma? N minus 5 into n minus 6 into n minus 7 factorial. So that's what this step is. I hope you have understood it. 42
Yes.
into n minus 7 factorial. I need the response from other students also. If you
Yes, sir.
are able to understand, please respond to me.
Yes,
Okay?
sir. Understood.
Right. So n minus 7 factorial and minus 7 factorial got cancelled. Right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma.
Sir, I didn't understand the second step. Sir, 1 upon n minus 7 factorial is equals to 42 into 1 minus
See,
1 upon n
here
minus
n
5.
factorial, see, Shashank, here This n factorial got cancelled. Na? This n factorial,
Yes, sir.
this n factorial got cancelled. So that means 1 upon 1. Here 1 will be there. So 1 upon n minus 7 factorial is equal to 42 multiplied with 1 upon n minus 5 factorial. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we got the clarity.
Sir, one step more.
One step more in the sense. So this cross multiplication.
Yes, sir. This
See,
only.
see here.
Okay, sir. Understood. Understood.
Understood. Okay. So now if you see here the next part, students, if you see here the next part, how we will solve here is n minus 5 into n minus 6 is equal to what it is? 42. See, you think once,
Yes, sir.
42 can be written as what? 42 can be written as
7
can you
into 6.
express can you express product of these two?
Sir, 7 into 6.
7 into 6. Okay. Where 7 can be written as, if I equate this to 7, n minus 5 is equal to 7. So n value will be is equal to 12. Here n minus 6 is equal to 6. So n value will be is equal to 6 plus 6, which is equal to 12. Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to say?
Yes.
Students, now you
Sir,
might
why
have
you
one
have
doubt.
taken second?
Yes. See here, ma. Suppose I might write 42 as 2 into 21. Okay. That means what
Yes,
is n
sir.
minus 5 is equal to 2? N value will be is equal to 7. And if I equate n minus 6 is equal to 21, n is equal to 21 plus 6, which is equal to 27. If you observe here, n value is different in these two cases. Am I right? If I take 2 into 21.
Yes.
So I
Yes,
should
sir.
select these two numbers. I should select these two numbers. See, it is a trick mark. I should select these two numbers in such a way that n value should be equal. N value should
Okay,
be
sir.
equal. You understood what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Suppose I can take some other also. Suppose see, if I take 42, tell me one more.
We can multiply n minus 5 and n minus 6. Sir, then also we'll get answer as
Right.
12.
3 into, correct. 3 into 14 is 42, right? Now n minus
Yes,
5
sir.
into n minus 6 is equal to 45. Now we equate it. N minus 5 is equal to 3. N is equal to what will get 8. And the same here, n minus 6 is equal to 14. N is equal to 14 plus 6, it is 20. So here also, they are different. So 3 into 14 is also, no, it's not the correct choice. It is not the correct choice. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
so now what we have to do. So this is one small trick. This is one small trick for you. In this way also you can do. Otherwise, you can do like this also. N minus 5 into n minus 6 is what? N square minus
Sir, n
6.
square minus 11 n plus 30.
Right. Is equal to 42. Am I right?
Yes, sir. 42 will get that side, sir,
Yes.
and
Minus 5n plus 30 minus 42 is
42.
equal to 0.
0, sir.
So n square minus 11n plus 30 minus 42 is what? Minus
Minus 12.
12 is equal to
Minus
0.
12.
Sir, now we have
Sir,
to take
minus 12.
factorization, sir.
So now, if just a minute, my kitty is doing somewhat nuisance here. I will make him to mute and I will get back to you. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Yes, students. So if I have to select two factors such that if I multiply, I should get minus 12 n square. The same two factors, if I add, I should get minus 11n. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
what are those?
The plus n and
Sir,
minus
minus
12.
11n and plus n.
Plus 1n minus 12n. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Not 11n, sir. 12n.
Sorry. Plus 1n minus 12n. Right. Minus 12n. Right now. Plus 1n minus 12n. In place of minus 11n, I have written plus 1n minus 12n. Minus 12 is equal to 0. So now take first two, what will you get? N into n plus 1. Take next two, what will you get? Minus 12 if I take common, what will you get? N plus 1. So if I take n plus 1 as common, n plus 1 into n minus 12 is equal to 0. So n plus 1 can be is equal to 0 or n minus 12 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 12, n is equal to minus 1. As n value here, n value, the negative n values are not possible here. Am I right, Ma?
Yes, sir.
Negative n values are not possible. So we will consider only n is equal to 12 as the final value. Is it
Okay.
is clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Do you have any doubt in
Explain
third
it.
or yes, ma?
Sir, from n square minus 6n, can you please explain?
See, ma. Here, ma. Here, from here.
Yes, sir.
See, ma. Here, n minus 5 into n minus 6 is equal to 42. Means I can write it as n into, see, n into n minus 6 minus 5 into n minus 6. N into n minus 6. Next, minus 5 into n minus 6 is equal to 42. So n into n and n into minus 6. Next, minus 5 into n minus 5 into 6. N into n is what? N square. N into minus 6 is what? Minus 6n. Minus 5 into n is minus 5n. Minus 30 is equal to 42. Have you understood what?
Yes, sir.
Now after this, what you'll get? If you simplify this, minus 6n minus 5n, you will get minus 11n. Plus 42 if it goes to this side. So here plus 30, right? Here
Yes,
you
sir.
will get plus 30, sorry, plus 30. So if you send plus 42 other side, minus 42 you will get. So if you simplify, you will get this n square minus 11n minus 2 is equal to 0.
Okay, sir.
From here anyway, the normal procedure now. Shall I explain it? It's your wish.
No, sir.
No,
Yes,
sir.
shall I explain it? If you want me to explain, I will explain that.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now this point is clear for you, right? Now please look after third and fourth problems. Third and fourth. In worksheet 2, do you have any doubts? Please let me know.
No, sir. Only that third and fourth questions and sixth and seventh are left.
Do you have doubt in that? Are you able to do or do you have doubt in
Sir,
that?
sir, we will able to do so. Sir,
Yes,
but I have a doubt, sir, in one of them. It's the sixth one, sir.
sixth one.
Yes, sir. I also have doubt
Sum
in that.
of the coefficients in the expansion of 1 plus x minus 3x square whole to the power 171 is p. Then
Sir,
modulus
at
of
the
p.
back side, they took x as sir 1, sir, but I
One,
didn't
right.
understood why.
See, ma, when I'm calculating 1 plus x whole to the power n, if I want to calculate sum of the coefficients, let me explain it. See here. Ma, the board is visible, ma?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Here.
Yes, sir.
1 plus x whole to the power n. Will anybody can tell me the form? NC naught plus?
NC1x plus NC2x square
and
plus
2x square
NC3 cube
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 plus
NCN
to NCN
x power
x
and
to the power.
On what base? Suppose I want to calculate. For this, I want to calculate sum of coefficients. What is sum of coefficients?
that two power n.
What is sum?
Two
Could you tell me
power
what is
n.
sum
To
of
the power
coefficients? No, I don't want that. What is sum of coefficients? Means it is NC naught plus NC1 plus NC2
plus NC2
plus
NC3.
NC3 and so
and
on
plus
till up to
NCN.
NCN. Am I right? The
Yes,
result you leave
Yes,
it, whatever it might be the result. Means what does it mean? Here x has to be vanished. Here x square has to be vanished. Here x cube has to be vanished. Here x to the power n has to be vanished. Am I right? Is it
Yes.
correct, students?
yes, sir.
That means here x, what is the operation which is doing with binomial coefficient?
So then
Huh? What operation do the x is
Sir,
doing?
multiplication.
Multiplication.
So what is the multiplicative identity?
Sir, 1.
That is the reason. Means I want this from this. Means I need to vanish x. What I need to keep the value x. What I need to keep the value in the mixed x.
The one.
That is the reason why I am keeping, why we are substituting x as 1 and we are saying that 2 power n is equal to c naught plus c1 plus c2 and so on cn. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you feel that, sir, if I substitute here in place of x the 2, the value 2, it will vanish. Yes, substitute x is equal to 2. What is the wrong here? Here, if I substitute x is equal to 1, x is getting vanished. So that is the reason why I have substituted x is equal to 1. In the same way, what is the function they have given? There. What is it? Sixth one, man?
Sir, it is sum of coefficient in expansion of 1 plus x minus 3x square all to the power 171.
171. Means what are the
Is P.
coefficients which I have? Tell me what are the coefficients which I have?
Sir, coefficients
171 C0,
plus
171
171
C1,
C1,
171
171 C2, 171 C3.
172 C3 and so on till up to what, ma?
Sir, why 172?
C172. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Who has patience to calculate individually? Nobody has patience to calculate individually. So simple thing is,
Sir, 171 C 171, no?
sorry, 171, right? 171 marks, not 172. Just a- 171 C2, 171 C3, 171 C4, and so on till up to 171 C171, right?
yes, sir.
Here we don't have patience to calculate individually. So now see here, if you observe here, every term has x, right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That means if I substitute x as 1, automatically in the same way, whatever here it was happened. Am I right? Whatever it has happened here, the same thing will happen here also. Will you believe it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Will
sir.
you believe it or not? Or do you have any doubt here?
No, sir. No.
That is the reason why I have to substitute x as 1. If I substitute x as 1, what I will get, ma? 1 plus 1, 2, 2 minus 3 whole to the power 171 is equal to C0 plus C1 plus
Sir,
C2.
sum will be -1.
Yes, yes, 1 right. Minus 1 whole to the power 171 is equal to C0 plus C1 plus C2 and so on. C171. Minus 1 whole to the power 171 is what? Minus 1.
Minus
Right,
1.
ma? C0 plus C1 plus C2 and so on till up to C171. Is it correct? Is it right?
Then now it's asking modulus P. It's in the modulus of this.
Modulus of P means modulus of minus 1. It will be 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Plus
students.
1, sir.
So downside is
Students, hello.
Yes, sir.
Students, now
Yes.
for this question, for my satisfaction, will you tell me what is the value of p square? Just a minute.
Sir, one only.
Sir, 1.
1.
Sir, one only.
Why this much time, huh? Why this much time, students?
Sir, I answered first.
Ah, you only answered. Fine, Anshika, you only answered. Why this much time? That is the reason. But then what I am asking? Why this much time? I asked
Sir,
this
I was
p
just
square only,
thinking
na?
which P you are saying. Then I thought you are saying in modulus P.
Hmm. So it will be equal to 1. Okay,
1.
Students, do you have any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It is clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Next, do you have any doubt in any other?
No,
Sir,
sir.
can you complete the 7th also?
7th one. Tell me what.
Sir, it's the basic formula.
No, you please tell me what.
Sir, if 12C R plus 1 is equal to 12C
12C R plus 1 is equal to 12C.
3R minus 5, sir, then
Your voice is somewhat up and down. 12C R plus 1 is equal to 12C
12C 3R minus 5.
3R minus 5. Okay.
Where R is greater than 3, then R equals to?
Then R equals. See here. Anshika, previously, see here, I told one thing. NCR is if NCR is equal to NCS, then R value will be is equal to S and N value should be is equal to R plus S. This is a condition. Okay. So that means what does it mean? R should be is equal to S. What is R here? What is R here, ma? This is R. Am I right? This
Yes,
is
sir.
yes. So R plus 1 should be is equal to 3R minus 5. Am I right, Anshika?
Yes, sir.
So 1 plus 5 is equal to 3R minus R. 6 is equal to 2R. So R value is equal to
3.
3. But here they told that R is greater than 3. Fine,
you
anyway,
can do
this
N
can.
plus R plus S. So
Right.
then it will give the value.
Right, let us check. So what is N, ma? So this condition got violated. For this condition, even though if I try to solve, there is no use because here they have given the condition that R is greater than 3. But here I got R value as 3. So now let me go for this condition. N is equal to R plus S. What is N, ma? 12. 12 is equal to, what is R? R plus 1. What is S? 3R minus 5.
3R minus 5.
So R plus 3R is 4R. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So 12 plus 4 is equal to 4R. 16 is equal to 4R. So R value is equal to 4. So R is
Sir,
great as
once
R is
explain
great.
again.
If NCR is equal to NCS, then these two conditions will apply. Okay, Sushant.
Yes, sir.
First, let us apply this condition. So now R plus
Okay, sir.
as per the given question, R is R plus 1, S is 3R minus 1. Right?
Yes, sir.
So R is equal to S
Yes.
now. So I have equated them. So I got R value
Okay,
as 3.
sir.
But here, as per the given
Okay.
condition, R is greater than 3. So even though I use the condition R is equal to S, this one, but it is not giving me the satisfactory result as per the condition given in the question. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So I
Yes,
have
sir.
to go for the second condition. Let us implement second condition. N is equal to R plus S. N value is 12. R is R plus 1, S is 3R minus 1. If I substitute, I am getting R value as 4.
Okay, sir.
R value as 4. Got it what I said?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Okay. Now let us go for the. So in worksheet 2, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt, ma?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the doubt?
Q
I'm unable to hear your voice.
number 5.
I'm unable to hear
Sir,
your
please
voice.
check CUQ question number 5.
Which one, ma?
He
Sir,
is asking
question number 5.
Question number
5.
5. See, I posted one video. Please go through it. Okay, all those previous questions are in video, ma. Are in the YouTube. Shashank, please post it to them.
Okay, sir.
No, please post it to them. Everything was there in the video, ma. Once please go through it. You will understand it easily. If you don't understand, you get back to me tomorrow. I will explain it. Okay?
Sir, tomorrow is mock test.
Of course. Why you
Okay,
people are
sir.
not prepared for mock test?
Sir, my complex number worksheet 2 and binomial theorem worksheet 1 is left.
Okay. Those are simple only, Mama. Easy to
Sir,
see.
I have one doubt from binomial theorem worksheet 1.
Tell me, Mama.
Sir, it is the number of non-zero terms in the expansion of a plus b root 2 whole power 20.
Those are for level 2, Ma.
Sir, no, it is for CUQ.
CUQs. Where, Ma? Once again, tell me the number of.
The number of non-zero terms in expansion of a plus b root 2 whole power 20 minus a minus b root 2 whole power 20 is.
Just a minute, once again.
A plus b root 2 whole power 20
A plus B root 2 whole to the power 20
minus a minus b root 2 whole power 20.
What they have asked?
Sir, the number of non-zero terms.
Number of non-zero terms. Okay. So now see here, Ma. A plus B root 2 whole to the power 20. It is in the form of x plus a whole to the power n. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the first one. What will you get? N C naught into x power n. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one, Ma, plus NC1 into x to the power n minus 1 into y to the power 1. Am I right?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
it will be 20C1 and sir, it will be a power 19.
Yes. Control. Just a minute. 20 C1 a to the power 1. So a to the power 19 multiplied with b to the b root 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Next plus 20
20
C2
C2
a to the power
8
18
18.
b root 2 whole square. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Next
Plus
plus
20
20 C3
C3
a to
A
the
to the
power
power
17.
70
B root
B
2
power
whole to the
whole
power
cube.
3.
Yes, sir.
And so on, so on, so on. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus. Now tell me the expansion of this. 20 C naught
20
A to the power n
a to the power n. A to the power n. What is a to the power n
minus
there?
Sir, it will be a power 20.
20 only. Just a minute, ma. A to the power 20. A to the power 20. So here also what will get? A to the power 20. Next
20.
one.
Sir,
B.
it will be
20C1
20C1 a power 19 b root
B root 2.
20C1 a power 19 and
Yeah.
sir b root 2.
B root 2. Next, is plus B
Sir,
root 2 or
it's,
minus B root 2?
sir, it will be sir minus b root 2.
B root 2.
Minus B root 2. Next, ma.
So sir, this term should be minus 20C1 a power 19 b root 2.
Right. Next, what is the next one? Plus
Plus
20C2
20C2
a power
8
18.
over 18
Uh,
minus
Minus
b
B
root 2 whole
root
power
2 whole square 2.
next, one more. Plus 20C3
20C3
a power
8 over
17
17
minus
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 B
B root 2 whole to the power 3.
and so on, so on, so on. Am I right?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So now 20C0 a to the power 20 plus 20C1 a to the power 19 b root 2 plus 20C2 a to the power 18 b root 2 whole square plus 20C3 a to the power 17 b root 2 whole cube and so on, so on. Now here what is happening? Like this, what is the last term?
Sir, it will be
How many?
20C20
20 P
b root
20
2 power 20.
B to the power
b root 2 power 20.
b
20.
root 2 whole to the power 20. Right. Now let us take out these brackets. What will you get? Minus 20 C0 a to the power 20. Am I right?
Yes sir.
Anyway,
Yes, sir.
here plus into minus is minus. Again, minus into minus is plus.
Plus.
Plus
20 C1 a to the power 19 b root 2. Again, I will write this. What it is? Minus 20 C2 a to the power 18 minus b root 2 whole square. No? That means it is positive value only.
Yes sir.
Can I write as
Sir,
b root 2
all
whole
even
square?
terms will cancel.
Right. All even terms are even. Right. Correct. So this this will get cancelled. This will get cancelled, and the same way this will get cancelled. This will all odd terms will remain. Am I right?
Yes sir.
Now
Yes,
let us think. See, 20 C1 a to the power 19 b root 2. And here also what you'll have 20 C1 a to the power 19 b root 2. So that means what does it mean? That means what does
Sir,
it
we
mean?
can write sir 2 into
Uh,
20C1
2
a power
into
19 b
20
root 2.
C1 a power 19 b root 2. In the same way,
And
plus
sir,
20 C3 a to the power 17 b root 2 whole to the power 3 and so
yes,
on, so on till up to where, ma?
sir, it will be till 20C19 a
20.
power 1 b root 2 power. Sir, it will
19.
be 19.
Am I
Yes.
right? So now see here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. How many? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, ma?
Yes, sir.
You understood it?
Yes, sir.
Right. In this way, we have to do that. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, is there any short method also?
See, short method in the sense, Utkarsh, this you have to calculate in mind. What you have to calculate in the mind is which terms are getting cancelled.
Okay, sir.
That's all the, only that's all, nothing other than that. That's all the main logic behind it. If you go on doing with terms, now suppose in the whole entire expand, just a minute. If I write the entire expansion, how much time it will take to do it?
If we write entire expansion, sir, then it will take lot of time.
Lot of time. So what I have written only till up to 3 terms for making you to understand that C1 and C3 will not get cancelled in both the things. That's all. You need to think in your mind that which terms are not getting which terms are getting cancelled and which terms are not getting cancelled.
Okay,
And
sir.
you can, okay?
Okay, sir. Understood.
Right, students.
Sir, excuse me.
Tell me, ma.
So why you have written 20C19? Why not 20C20?
20C once again, ma. Why you
So
have?
written 20C19.
No, I didn't get you. Once again.